Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tamihan here today, and today we're live at Lufasi Park, loving nature. Come around here with me today to show you more about nature, and I just got my ticket. Let's go. Guys, these are African wild donkeys. This is actually my first time of seeing a donkey, and this species of a donkey is an albino donkey. So guys, animals, unlike plants and algae, which produce their own nutrients, animals are multicellular or are multicellular archaeotes, which means they are made up of many cells. I'm going to be telling you of some animals which have gone extinct, like the megalodon is known as one of the biggest species of a shark, which was said to have gone extinct and lived up to approximately 23 to 36 million. Classy loving nature. Guys, this is a tree here. I'm going to tell you some importance of trees. Trees are really important to human life. They provide us with fresh air to breathe with. They are sources of medicine, paper and wood. They also provide us with fruits and vegetables. And also, they are really important because they have bark and can be used for sources of wood. They help us to reduce pollution and help us to bring rain. Guys, let nature be the guide to your journey. And this is Lake Moses. It is an artificial lake. Fishes. They look so cute. There are little and big fishes in this lake actually. So come on, let's continue, sir. Guys, this is a vervet monkey. Some can be wild and some can be used as pets. They are omnivores and they eat plants, fruits, or other things. Hi.
Hi,
Hi,
welcome
guys.
to lufasi. Having a nice, relaxing walk in nature.
I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick
So
up
guys, after all chores and stress, I'm here eating munched cheesy sticks with my soda, Fanta orange flavored drink. So let's have some fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment.